I'm excited about my knives, but it's a big for no reason. What's going on, guys? Today I am going to be making pineapple. Well, I'm gonna be making pineapple bowls with Chinese style chicken and shrimp. So it's gonna be a shrimp and chicken pineapple bowl. This recipe came from Tasty, and I did a little modification for myself and my family. Tasty only used like chicken and a small amount of chicken. However, there are more of us to eat than probably for the Tasty display, so I had to modify this for us. And instead of just using chicken, like I said, that's the shrimp. The link to the original recipe will be in the description box if you'd like to try it. If you want to do our variation, what I did was I used 2 pounds of chicken, 2 pounds of boneless skinless chicken breast, as well as I also have a pound of shrimp. Once I finish cutting this, I'm gonna drop it over there in that bowl. I'm gonna let it marinate for 20 minutes, and then we can pretty much finish cooking once it's finished marinating. Now that we're done with this step, we're gonna wash our hands, put the marinade in it, and let it marinate for 1 hour. For every pound of chicken or meat you're gonna use 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of cornstarch per pound of meat. And you're gonna use 1 egg per pound of meat. Now Tasty use soy sauce, but I think as far as flavoring, if I'm gonna do a marinade, I much prefer Worcestershire instead of soy. So this is one of my adaptations to this recipe. Handy dandy Tasty hunks. And I know you guys may be wondering what the cornstarch is for. I mean, anybody that's had Chinese should know, but just in case you don't, it's to give it that nice kind of tempura texture. Now that we got everything seasoned up, time to go and put it in there to marinate. Well, let the marinade sit. And allow it to marinate, we're just gonna go ahead and prepare the rest of our ingredients so that way we can just be ready to cook when it comes out. If you didn't know, bell peppers either have 3 heads at the bottom or 4. That differentiates the males from the females. 1 is better for cooking and 1 is better for just straight eating. And y'all figure out which is which? Comment down below if you actually know which bell pepper is the male, which bell pepper is the female. Now, we're gonna prep our pineapples. This is the fun part, guys. You need to cut it, Dad. You need to cut it horizontally and vertically. Amount of lines doesn't really matter. It's just easier to core that way. Get rid of the core, keep all the flesh. Anyway, quick trick to cooking rice is once you have your temp on high, drop your rice in, and if you just want to leave it, then drop it down to low, well, medium low rather, and you can just walk away, no attention needed. But if you're gonna be in the kitchen, you can do medium depending on if you're on the time crunch or not. Now us, we kind of in the time crunch. I'm finna be in here to go ahead and finish the rest of the meal, so instead of medium low, we just gonna do medium. Well, you know what? I do like in between.
I think you should do like you always do it, even though you're still in here.
Yeah. Well, they have spoken, so I'm just gonna cook it how I normally cook it. On low, leave it to its devices, and single grain rice. Well, now we're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes. Most people will probably have to cook this for 4, but we're gonna do it for 3 because our cookware is not, it conducts thermal, it's thermal cookware, so it conducts heat really well. So the temperature doesn't fluctuate as much.
So, baby Alex is a freaking daddy's boy, and he wanna be in here.
Well, I cook.
And I can't hold him and the camera. I don't have time for this.
Come on, bro, you gotta get like me. If I can do it, you can do it.
If you throw up on me, I'm gonna be really sad.
But see, at this point, we start our video, it'll be okay.
Tell them you cutting up. You want to see? Oh, look at that one little tear. Oh my gosh. Tell them that you cutting up. Acting like you're spoiled. You want Daddy? Daddy is busy. He don't want you.
Well, all right, guys. So now we gotta saute our onions. Now, in here, we gotta do a half cup. Add to a half cup of sugar, a half cup of rice wine vinegar, and 6 tablespoons of ketchup. Well, I just added the final step, part of that step, which was 6 tablespoons of ketchup.
Did you really have a complete daddy attack on me?
That's what it seems like.
I hope a part of the video is recorded when you was freaking crying. So I have proof. You was cutting up, buddy. You cannot be in the kitchen, man.
He said he gotta learn how to cook.
Now he's just looking like he wasn't doing this.
Yeah.
I took the clothes off and everything.
Well,
you was really like, bruh.
In the shop will go, in the shop will go.